Severe storms can bring strong winds, flying debris, heavy rain, and dangerous weather conditions that threaten homes and property. For homeowners in hurricane-prone areas, protecting their investment is a top priority. One of the most effective ways to improve storm protection is by installing hurricane windows. Unlike traditional windows, hurricane windows are specifically designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. Their durable construction helps protect homes from storm damage while also providing benefits such as energy efficiency, security, and noise reduction. Protection against flying debris. One of the biggest dangers during severe storms is airborne debris. Strong winds can send tree branches, roof shingles, and other objects toward a home's windows. Hurricane windows use laminated impact-resistant glass that is designed to withstand these impacts. Even if the outer layer of glass cracks, the internal layer helps hold the glass together, reducing the chance of dangerous openings. This added protection can help minimize interior damage and keep the home better protected during severe weather. Resistance to strong winds. High winds place significant pressure on windows and doors. Standard windows may crack or fail under these conditions, allowing wind and rain to enter the home. Hurricane windows are built with reinforced frames and stronger glass systems that help resist powerful wind forces. Their ability to remain intact during severe weather helps maintain the home's protective barrier. Keeping windows secure during a storm can reduce the risk of additional structural damage. Helping prevent water intrusion. Heavy rain often accompanies severe storms. If windows fail, water can enter the home and damage flooring, walls, furniture, and personal belongings. Modern hurricane windows feature durable seals and weather-resistant construction that help reduce water intrusion. Properly installed windows create a tighter seal that limits the amount of wind-driven rain entering the home. Reducing moisture infiltration can help homeowners avoid costly repairs after a storm. Increased home security. The same impact-resistant glass that protects against storms can also improve home security. Hurricane windows are more difficult to break than traditional windows, which may discourage forced entry attempts. Their durable construction provides year-round protection that extends beyond storm season. Many homeowners appreciate the added peace of mind that stronger windows provide. Improved energy efficiency. Many hurricane windows include energy-efficient features that help improve indoor comfort. These may include double-pane glass low-E coatings, insulated frames, advanced weather stripping. These features help reduce heat transfer and improve temperature control throughout the year. Better insulation may also help lower heating and cooling costs. Homeowners can enjoy both storm protection and improved energy performance from a single investment. Reducing outside noise. Hurricane windows can also help create a quieter indoor environment. The multiple layers of glass and insulated construction help reduce outside noise from traffic, storms, and neighborhood activity. This added sound reduction contributes to greater comfort inside the home. Many homeowners consider noise reduction an additional benefit of installing impact-resistant windows. Professional installation matters. Even the highest quality hurricane windows require proper installation to perform effectively. Professional installers ensure that windows are properly secured, sealed, and installed according to building requirements. Correct installation helps maximize storm resistance and long-term performance. Poor installation can reduce the effectiveness of the window system, making professional installation an important part of the project. Long-term value for homeowners. Hurricane windows offer several benefits beyond storm protection, including enhanced security, better energy efficiency, reduced outside noise, improved comfort, increased home value. These long-term advantages make hurricane windows a valuable investment for many homeowners. Peace of mind. During severe weather, hurricane windows provide an important layer of protection against severe storms. Their ability to resist flying debris, withstand strong winds, and reduce water intrusion helps protect both homes and families. For homeowners in storm-prone areas, hurricane windows offer reliable performance and year-round benefits. With quality materials and professional installation, these windows can deliver lasting protection, improved comfort, and greater peace of mind for years to come.